Hello ladies and gentlemen, we're back up here doing some more truck spotting. Welcome back to another A.J.G adventure video. Let's hope no one can think that I'm a poser with my high vis, but let's see what we can spot. We're up here back at Snodland, this very thin bridge, scooters here. Let's see what we can spot. It's currently, what time is it? It's 9:43 in the morning, so let's hope there's quite a bit out. V8. And as the first one of the day, I think that's pretty good. I think that is pretty good as the first one of the day. You see a lovely one with amber rails. Nice, what are those? Nedkins? Hadleys? Not too sure. I haven't spotted since like February. So, it's the first... Wait! It's the first time spotting since in months. But let's see, let's hope it's a good day. We got ourselves a caravan convoy, Cinder boy. Oh wait, I forgot, I can't scream over the shots. I just see a nice Volvo, hold on. I was like, nah, they're not gonna give tones. Then I saw a Volvo badge, like Volvo saying Volvo across the actual lorry instead of the Volvo badge. Then I saw the lights. I was already asking for tones before I saw the lights, and then I hear so obviously I haven't shot spotted since like February, since the last video I posted. I'm truck spotted, but obviously I was doing that 1 month challenge and not spotting. Then after that I was meant to do Brands Hatch, which I didn't actually go to. Then I went to Wales, and then when I got back from Wales I was meant to go to Brands Hatch, which I didn't. So the Alkaline. So then I didn't spot for the whole of April. I don't know what happened to March. Oh no, March was the 1 month challenge. It was February that I last spotted him, and then here we are, May. Went to Lincoln obviously, so I didn't spot for quite a bit of time, and now here I am back once again in May from February last time spotted, which is mad. But hopefully it's a good one to get me back into the spotting, you know, acquire. That's probably not even the right word, but yeah. Blue lights. Oh, is that an undercover federal agency? Blue lights, why has he come back? He's come back on the circle. Yeah, those are actual feds. Oh, he just beat by the feds with it. Yeah, they're in their uniform and everything. Those are actual feds, but why are they coming back? They might be on me. I swear if I see a Fed come up here now. Oh. Hold on, these were at Lincoln. Thought I might have a bit of luck with them. Assuming they were at Lincoln. But clearly not. A.J.G. Hello boy. I'd genuinely be so happy just to have like a house right next to the motorway, because like imagine waking up in the morning, getting out on the bridge, doing some spotting, coming back for like lunch, playing some ETS2, coming back to the bridge for some night spotting. Like that is like the life. Such a nice Volvo, where's the tires? Oh, another one of Harrison's there, boy. Whistle in a little bit. It's quite rare you see a Ford. Like, you don't see one every day, but you do see them quite a bit on the M20, don't you? Boy! Hello, boy! Nice one, drive. Give me toes and I didn't even ask for it. This high vis is working. What the helly bird am I doing sitting down here? What the helly bird? Give us some tones from the MAN. Tones from the MAN were required. I was sitting down, he still gave flashes and tones. We've got a person with dogs, we better stand up before we get eaten. What the helly bird? These MANs are good, you know, he just give me tones while I'm sat down here. I'm just sat down here going like this and they're giving us some tones. What the helly bird is Kieran doing? What is he going on about? Ooh, 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 ooh. Only the flashes though. No tones. Give us some tones next time, boy. That was loud. Whoa, I need to blur that. Oh, Dutch bumper. Oh my god, that scared me. You can see by the way I shook in the camera. That is some proper loud Ned Kings. That, oh my god, oh my god, this just hit me. Oh my god, those are so loud, they actually genuinely scared me. Those genuinely scared me, you can see by the way I shook. My heart, oh my god, my heart. Wow, and I swore, and I got a horrible shot. Jesus Christ. That was nice though. I'm actually so disappointed in the shot I got now because that was so bad and I'm so disappointed I swore over it. That was just, it went bang, bang, bang. Oh my god, my ears. And then I mate, honestly, my heart is gone. And then I swore. No, double lights as well. Obviously I've heard Ned Kings before, but those are the loudest by far. I don't know what kind of Ned King 100 she's got. Those are not your normal 97s. I'll tell you that for free. Those were loud. Now I see why people get scared. When I see like TikToks, oh, Ned King's so loud, I shook. You see how scared I was? I'm like, what the hell? They're not even that loud. Like, obviously they're loud, but like not that loud to like scare you. But wow, on the motorway that loud. Like, how are they that loud on the motorway? It's mad. But boy, that was loud. That was great, and I loved it. Genuinely hope he's coming back up because, boy, I was not expecting that from that as well. That can't be it. That cannot be it. Oh, uh-oh. Best part is that FSC feds, I can't even act like I'm walking over the bridge. First, because the scooter. Second, because the high vis. Who'd be walking across a bridge in a high vis? Like, no, that would just not be happening. It's obviously a track spotter. Camera.
Hello, camera.
I don't remember seeing you here last time. Hello. Hello, Mr. Camera. Hello. Hello. Hello, Mr. Camera. Oh, look. Driver Wick Chronicles. What's he doing on the side of my lorry? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Fishino. These Volvos and that horn is. Talmu lights from a Volvo as well. Wow. Amber mode. Neddy! He switched that from normal mode to amber mode. That's beast mode right there. And then he went ba ba ba. People like that guy who just waved, nice and happy with a big smile on his face. Some people, they like to stick their middle finger out the window, which we also just got. Great stuff, guys. Great stuff. We do back shots. Let's try. Damn, that might have been Riley's dad. Blue beacons and Michelin men. Tones? Back once again for the Renegade Master. It's not even up to him. Oh wait, I wasn't meant to talk here. Oh, he's giving left right. Zoom in on it, editor. Moving with the flash. Left right. That's left right, by the way. If you. Wow, look at this military convoy. We've already had three of those, then we got some, I don't even know what that is. That's old as hell though, I'll tell you that for free. And then we got, oh, straw man taking them all out. Another one there, and that. Wow. Military convoy. I probably could have got Ned Kings from him. He probably has Ned Kings. Could do with one of those right now. I really could. I'm an ice cream van spotter now. Hey, Wharton bypass or him? Him was well chosen. Yes, BKM. I don't even know what I'm filming right now. Someone's definitely come down here with a bin, bruv, and it stinks. Bit of stuck with that dung and that dung. It's got a bit of oomph. Kelly, come on, Kelly. Talks right over it. It's just great, isn't it? No. That's some nice horse box. Next gen, Torpedo, next gen. NWR. That is my proper first next gen torpedo sighting, and it's NYR. That means he's probably Benny's probably. Woo! He's probably gonna go Benny's way. Benny, ugh. Shocking with Benny's probably gonna see him. Wow. Oh my god, that's my proper first next gen torpedo sighting. Obviously I saw them at the show, but I've never actually spotted one. Wow! Like and subscribe, see you guys in the next video. You guys don't see this, alright, because that other one was the last one, but that's Philip Judge as well. That would have been beautiful to end on. One of my stickers on this bridge. Mark my presence. Here's the sticker. Here's the bridge. Here we go. And I have been here. Let's see if we're ever coming back, if it's still here. Woo! Can you believe it? As soon as I was just about to come off, I see a lorry, I asked for tones, and he's got Ned Kings. Didn't film it. That's a shame.